In this video, we are going to make one very strong spray that not only gives strength to your plants, but also protects them from diseases. This spray will work wonderfully against pest attacks. It is fully natural, very simple to make at home, and will completely change the way you take care of your garden. This kind of spray does not just chase away pests, it also supports the plant to become more healthy from inside. Once you start using this, you won't feel like buying any chemical spray again. We are going to use something that is always available in every kitchen: orange peels. Usually we eat the fruit and throw the peels, but today we will use these peels to make a powerful spray. These peels contain natural oils that have a strong smell and pest-repelling properties. First, take some orange peels. Simply use the peels left after eating a few oranges. Now take a container and fill it with hot water. Not boiling, but hot enough that you can see a little steam. Drop the peels in this water. Leave the peels in hot water for about 30 minutes. As the water cools down, all the goodness of the peel will mix with the water slowly. You will also notice the smell getting stronger. That is a good sign. After 30 minutes, take out the peels from the water, but don't throw them yet. Take them in your hand and press or squeeze them nicely into the same water. All the extra oil and juice from the peels will come out this way. Now take a fine cloth or a strainer and pour this water through it into another clean container or spray bottle. This will help remove all the peel pieces so that your spray bottle does not get blocked. Now we will add one important thing: dishwasher soap. Add 4 tablespoons of mild dishwasher liquid into the orange water. Make sure the soap does not have strong chemicals or bleach. We are adding this because the soap helps the spray stick properly to the leaves, and it also damages the body of small insects like aphids and mites, killing them naturally. Once the soap is added, close the bottle and shake it nicely so that everything mixes together well. Your spray is ready now. Spray it nicely on all the plants. Don't forget to spray on the underside of the leaves, because many pests hide there. You can do this in early morning or evening time when the sunlight is not strong. Avoid spraying during sunny afternoons, otherwise it may cause leaf burn. You can use this spray once in 3 or 4 days, or whenever you notice pest activity. This spray is really helpful in many ways. First, it keeps away the pests, which damage leaves and stems. Second, it has natural oils that stop fungus and bacteria from attacking the plant. Third, the soap cleans the leaf surface and helps the plant absorb more sunlight. Slowly, your plant becomes stronger and the leaves will look fresh and shiny. It can be used for vegetables, flowers, herbs, and even small fruit plants. Some people also use it near the root area to stop ants and crawling bugs. Another good thing is, you are not wasting anything. Instead of throwing the orange peels in the dustbin, you are using them in your garden. This is one beautiful way to recycle and help the plants naturally. Many people who tried this spray say that their plants became more green, pests reduced, and overall plant growth improved. So, if pests are troubling your plants, don't worry. Try this simple homemade spray and see the difference with your own eyes. Store the leftover spray in the fridge and use it within a few days for best results. And remember, natural methods take a little time, but give long-lasting results without harming nature. If you like this idea and want more such sprays and fertilizers, please check other videos on my channel. Subscribe, like, and share with others who love gardening.